Hey Costco members, I'm so excited to show you the newest arrivals for the month of May. There are so many great finds, new kitchenware, Adidas shoes, picture frames, and so much more. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. Check out this new gallery frame set I came across at Costco, and it comes in a total of 3 pieces. So you can fit either an 11 by 14 inch print, an 8 by 10, or a 5 by 7 photo with the included mats. These are going for $22.99, and Costco carries two options, so you can choose the gold or black frame. These are really nice. We've purchased these Ello glass meal prep containers from Costco before, but I must admit I'm really liking this new style. First off, it's a bigger container, 4.1 cups, and it's going for $24.99. It's also a total of 10 pieces. The bottom part is oven safe, and the whole container is freezer safe. Of course, microwave and dishwasher safe too, which is really nice. Now with the baby, we find ourselves using these quite often. They're great for meal prep or just, good for everyday use. If you want to store in your leftovers too, you can. Now, if you're looking for a new tool set, Costco has this option, a total of 6 pieces. It's stainless steel and silicone. It's going for $19.99. Again, a total of 6 pieces. And they are pretty much safe for all cookware and also dishwasher safe. And let me show you guys what else is included in this set. So it says here you get a turner, a slotted turner, a spoon and a slotted spoon, a ladle, and a spatula included. Now it seems like this is the newer model to the infrared air fryer. And this one right here is the extra large, 1,800 watts. It's going for $129.99. I'm noticing the layout for this air fryer is already very different compared to the previous model. And this one right here is supposed to fit a 12-inch frozen pizza, so you can get an idea of the size. It goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in terms of temperature. It comes with the lighted windows, which is a game changer. And here are the 10 different cooking programs that it has. Again, you have dehydrate in here, you have roast, broil. Of course, you can bake, roast, and the crispy finish is a game changer. This is pretty nice. Love this new find. Now, if you've been eyeing these adorable fruit icon tumblers, guys, these are on sale. Thought I should remind you that they have $5 off until May 5th. These went from $24.99 down to $19.99, so it's a good sale price. And keep in mind, this is a price for a 4-pack. And aren't these just adorable? I love that they have little fruits on them, one with strawberries, lemon, cherry, and orange. Can't believe it's that time of the year when Costco has the cooling throws once again. These are 60 by 70 inch and they're going for $16.99 right now. They are reversible and yes, they do help you stay cool, especially during the hotter days, of course. They're very soft too, very easy to care for. Costco brought these out in a couple of different colors, so they have them in green, brown, and also blue. Now, I've never seen these at Costco before. It's a cotton gauze throw with a plush reverse. So that will help you stay nice and warm. $14.99, 60 by 70 inch. And let me show you guys the different prints because they brought out some of the cutest ones I've seen. So this one right here you can see has little dogs on it. They also have one with lemon, which I just love. That's the one that's catching my attention. And then they also have one with some pretty flowers on them. I also spotted the down alternative filled blankets. These are 66 by 96 inches, and Costco has these in 3 options. It's a twin size, by the way, so sizing is 66 by 96 inch. These are going for $14.99 at the moment, and let me show you guys the different options. So they have this one right here, and they also have it in navy blue and green. Now, if you have a king size bed, Costco also has the down alternative filled blanket for that size. This one right here is going for $23.99 and it's 112 by 92 inches. This one's also, once again, machine washable. And let me show you guys the different styles. So they have this very pretty blue one. They also have it in brown and gray. Imagine being able to add little lights to like your camping tent. Well, now you can with the rechargeable camping string lights. These are pretty nice. They're going for $19.99 and they come as a 2-pack. Yes, it has 7 different light modes. So let me show you guys the different ones. You can see here it has the dome light. You can also do multicolor string light, multicolor lantern. You can do the string light or even flashlight. But this one has up to 200 lumens and a 10-hour runtime. And look at what's back at Costco. Costco has the Adidas Unisex Adelaide Comfort Slides. These are going for $16.99. I must admit, I don't think I've ever seen these go on sale. So hopefully this time around, they do get a small discount to them at least. But again, they are unisex. They're only available in black, by the way. But let me know, what do you guys think about these? Has anyone found these to be comfortable? Let me know in the comment section down below. I also came across these shoes for men. These are also by the Adidas brand, but they're called the Cloud Foam Flex sneaker. These are going for $35.99, and I will say I did spot whole and half sizes for them. Costco has these in 2 colors. They did bring them out in navy blue and also black on white. These are the new Kenzie sandals for ladies. What do you guys think about them? They're like slip-on style. They're going for $17.99. I will say Costco only brought these out with whole sizes, so just keep that in mind. But it seems like they have a good amount of cushion to them. They do seem quite comfortable, so I would definitely be able to pair these with shorts, jumpsuits, summer dress as well. It seems like these would also be good for vacation. Now, if there's one thing I absolutely love about Olive Garden is definitely their signature salad. So I did find this 3-pack of the Italian dressing that comes with 2 bottles of their signature dressing, and then 1 bottle is the zesty dressing. I haven't tried that one. Let me know if you have. It's going for $8.89 again for a 3-pack. And here are the nutrition facts. It says anywhere between 80 to 90 calories for every 2 tablespoons. 7 Sunday cereal is also back at Costco. This one right here is made with real cocoa. And this brand right here is known for having very simple ingredients in their products. So this is actually an 18-ounce bag going for $9.39. Some people enjoy the cereal with milk. Others like having it, just as a little snack, kind of like by itself. 1 cup is 160 calories, has around 5 grams of sugar. And look at these ingredients: tapioca, sunflower protein, dates, coconut oil, Dutch cocoa, and a couple of other ingredients. This is new. It's grilled chicken thigh meat in a chipotle honey sauce. I love the idea of honey chipotle. This one's going for $14.99. I will say I have tried several of the Real Foods products, but this one I haven't because it's so new. So I'm hoping the next time I'm at Costco, I'm able to sample this. 3 ounces, around 210 calories. It has around 15 grams of protein, 13 grams of fat. And let's see here in terms of heating instructions, they basically tell you you can just heat it up in the microwave, so it's definitely convenient. And if you happen to like these almond flour siete tortillas, these are on sale right now. They are grain-free, and it's by the Siete Foods brand. You get 20 tortillas per pack. These have $3 off, and it seems like the deal is going to be ending on May 3rd. So the price goes from $11.89 down to $8.89. For 2 tortillas, the calories at 180, has around 17 grams of carbs, 5 grams of protein, 12 grams of fat, and then 3 grams of dietary fiber. I also came across these Siete Foods chocolate chip grain-free cookies on sale right now. These have a hint of Mexican vanilla in them, and they went from $9.89 down to $6.89 with the $3 off until May 3rd. Keep in mind the bag is of 16 ounces. It says here the serving size is of about 6 cookies, which is around 150 calories. My father-in-law really liked this flan. This one right here has tres leches in it with the caramel sauce by Señor Rico. Has $3 off until May 3rd. I'm going to make sure to tell him that his flan is on sale currently. This one went from $12 down to $8.99. And keep in mind you get 12 flans per box. And that is all the updates that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.